This is going to be a very short video, but when you turn on heavy loads such as a microwave or things like that, if you notice lights dimming or other lights brightening, then you've got a problem. Let me show you an example here. I was at a home inspection and I turned on the microwave. And watch what happens to these lights under the cabinet. Look how dim those get. This is an indication of a serious problem that is called a lost neutral. Now watch what happens when I plug in my voltage meter and I turn on the microwave. The voltage should be about 120, but with this microwave running, you've got 140, 150, 151 volts on this one circuit. Now we're going to put this over on the other side. Right now it's 120. We're turning on the microwave right now. Watch this voltage drop down to 97, 96, 98. Okay, somewhere in there, about 96 volts. This indicates that this home has a lost neutral, which means that the neutral is disconnected somewhere before your electric panel, and it can cause serious problems. It can be a danger to equipment and to people. I've got a full-length video that explains this, but I just wanted to show you a demonstration of what actually happens with the lost neutral.